Hey guys, it's Dylan here. Just doing a quick vid on my YZ125 after I crashed it. I hit a metal barrier about 2 weeks ago, and I broke my leg in 2 places. So I haven't had much time to do work on it because I've been in a lot of pain. I cracked my frame. I'll be showing you that, and I've got it fixed. And I've also broken my front brake lever. And over here, I'm hopping around because my leg's broken. Over here, I snapped the end of the clutch off, but I just filed it down. So yeah, it's pretty good. See how it's a little bit shorter? Not much that broke on it. It was pretty good. Down here, that's where it broke, where I got the welds done. I got that fixed at Dawson's Engineering for a carton of beer. Otherwise, it would have cost me about $100 to get it fixed. It's pretty dirty because I haven't had the chance to, clean it and stuff. So that's why it's dirty. And all that black stuff there is like oil from a sill broke just under here, around there. So I just put silicone there, and that done the job. So now I have a mess to clean up. So it's all down the side of my bike. I'll give it a quick start up, show you how it sounds. Oh yeah, that's me broken leg. Just put that there. Feel one? Choke. Oh yeah, and another thing. I had problems with my throttle. When I crashed it, I got sand in it, so it was like sticky, it would go, and it would grip. Weld again. So yeah, that's me bike. YZ125. There's not much changed on the bike besides this FX factory feel seat. It's pretty nice. A lot more comfortable than what they give you. But yeah. So yeah, thanks very much for watching my vid. Hope you enjoy.